Hi guys, so welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. One of the stuff I've decided to start doing on this channel is I've decided to start taking live trades. I spend most of my time trading, so I just want to take live trades and I will show you guys the result before and after. Then I'll give you guys updates about the trade, if it was successful or not, and the motive behind the trade. If you look at the time this morning, this is 8 minutes past 5 o'clock, 5:08 a.m. and I woke up like I always do, started checking various coins, and I was looking at trading opportunities and all. And one of the trades I took this morning currently is Rose, and I'm going to tell you the idea behind this trade. First, let me just show you a clean chart, then I'll show you every other thing. Now this Rose has been coming down. It has been coming down under the 15 minutes time frame. One of the setup I use is the EMA 13, 8 and 5, and the idea is once the EMA 5 crosses above the 13, then I look for long positions to buy, that is from below, right? So what I saw was, first I will show you the reason behind this trade. The reason behind the trade was, number one, I noticed that this is a price action position. Anytime it gets to this point, there's a rejection. You can see that there's a long wick formed below here, one. And number two, from my setup again, I noticed that the EMA 5 has crossed above the 8 and the 13, and there's a sharp squeeze. There's a squeeze around this place, forming an ascending triangle. I'm going to show you guys every other thing. But one thing about trade is you look for your setup, you look for stuff, and you enter the trade, hopefully hoping that everything is going to be work out fine. Before now, there was a just forming lower lows and lower highs, and from what you can see, there was a change in direction, lower low, lower high, but now you can see the higher low and higher high. So those were still part of the reason I took this trade. First and foremost, the confirmation from my EMA that you're about to go up, one. Number two, you can see that there's a rejection here. This is a price action position, which means sellers are waiting around this buyers are waiting around this region, one, two. And number three, and we can see that there's a change in the market direction. So I took this to take profit in the next resistance area, which normally is supposed to be as high where I drew my yellow line around this place, but I prefer to just put it slightly lower here, and I'm waiting for this trade to play out. So if this trade works in my advantage, I'll be taking like almost 4% profit, and my stop loss is below the price rejection area. That is 2% loss if it goes against me, but hopefully I believe this will be a very good trade, and this is currently going my direction, right? I'm trading this on the futures platform, and I just said I should show you guys my setup and how and hopefully I'll be back to show you guys how it plays out at the end of the day. That being said, if you like content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, and please make sure you stay to watch the end result of this particular trade. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you more premium content. I'll be searching for other cryptocurrency stuff that I'll be trading, and I would like to let you guys see the idea, what I think before taking my trade. Now if you notice, this Rose was one of the coins I told you guys to watch out for this month. Watch out for this month, even though for now it is not showing the kind of signs I'm expecting in the grand scheme of things, but at least from the short-term trade, you can see some scalping positions, right? And scalping is very good for people that are trying to build their account and all. So that being said, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you more interesting content.